Apply massage oil to your hands, rub the client's whole back with them till Feng Qi, GB 20, and Feng Fu, DU 16, and press the 2 acupoints, repeat 3 times. Push due meridian with your hands alternating, repeat 3 times. Push bladder meridian with your hands doing it by turns, repeat 3 times. Push from Daswi, DU 14, to do meridian and bladder meridian with the base of your palms, respectively, and lift from the waist side till your palms slide out from the armpit, repeat 3 times. Push from the back of the neck to anadesma connecting the neck and shoulder with kneeling fingers, repeat 5 to 8 times. Push from the back of the neck to the waist inch by inch with kneeling fingers, repeat 3 to 5 times. Stroke anadesma connecting the neck and shoulder with the first web space, and caress it with the other hand, repeat 5 to 8 times. The other side applies the same technique. One side, push the whole medial border of the scapula with your 2 first web spaces alternating, and repeat 5 to 8 times. Push from the medial border of the scapula to the shoulder with your hands alternating, and repeat 5 to 8 times. Move from the arm to the palm along the shoulder and slide out. The other side applies the same technique. One side, stroke bladder meridian transversely with your thumbs, and push from the medial border of the scapula to the waist, repeat 3 to 5 times. Caress from the waist side to the shoulder with your palms alternating, press Jian Jing, GB 21, slide out from the arm to the palm, repeat 3 times. The other side applies the same technique. Clean the back with a towel. Apply radiofrequency cream evenly to it. Body RF and suction, tightening and shaping. It can clear and activate the channels and collaterals, dispel dampness and toxins, tighten and sculpt the body, and relieve fatigue by using suction and RF technologies. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, around 15 to 20 minutes. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. The recommended mode for RF, norm. Suction can be set per individual tolerance. Proposed suction time, 0.5 to 1.5 seconds. Suggested release time, 0.0 to 0.8 seconds. The suction time should be set longer than the release time. Divide do meridian into 3 sections and push them back and forth, repeat 3 to 5 times. Push do meridian, repeat 3 to 5 times. Divide bladder meridian into 3 sections and push them with your hands alternating, repeat 3 to 5 times. Push bladder meridian, repeat 3 to 5 times. Draw circles till sacral region, BL31, BL34, with the device along bladder meridian, repeat 3 to 5 times. Move back and forth on anadesma connecting the neck and shoulder, repeat 3 to 5 times. Lift back and forth on the medial border of the scapula, repeat 3 to 5 times. Move from the left waist side to the right side, and do it back and forth, repeat 3 to 5 times. Clean the back with a towel. Laser lipo laser pad, to heat and dissolve fat. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 20 to 30 minutes. Suggested energy level, 3 to 7. Recommended mode, M1. Fasten laser pads onto the fatty part with a strap for about 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the pads. Matters needing attention after treatment. Do not enjoy a sauna or hot spring or do strenuous exercise within a week. Take a shower after 4 to 6 hours. Keep warm, do not drink cold or eat spicy food. Drink more warm water to replenish moisture and accelerate metabolism. A session equals 60 minutes. 2 to 3 times a week. A course of treatment equals 12 sessions. Contraindications. Women in pregnancy or breastfeeding. With heart diseases or a heart pacemaker. With unhealed surgical wounds or in surgical recovery. With epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, malignant tumors, etc. With skin diseases or infectious diseases.